Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining this FGD. Today, we are discussing the controversial development of Nusantara as Indonesia's new capital. The move was originally launched to relieve problems in Jakarta, such as overpopulation, pollution, congestion, and land subsidence, and to redistribute development more evenly. However, a recent article in The Guardian, October 2025, argues that Nusantara is at risk of becoming a ghost city. Construction has slowed, funding has fallen, and very few civil servants or residents have relocated there so far. In this discussion, I encourage you all to share your thoughts openly. Let's begin. Okay. The first question is, what do you think were the main motivations behind choosing Nusantara as the new capital? Sure.
Okay, thank you, Amel, for the opportunity. I think the main motivations behind choosing Nusantara as the new capital are to reduce Jakarta's heavy burden, promote fairer development across the country, and place the capital in a more central and stable location. Nusantara is expected to be an environmentally friendly city with better planning from the start. This move also signals Indonesia's ambitions to modernize and prepare for long-term growth.
Okay, does anyone want to respond to that? Sure.
Okay, in my opinion, the motivations appear less about long-term national planning and more about political branding. The government frames it as a move toward equity and future development. But realistically, the decision seems rushed and driven by a desire to leave grand legacy. There's also a sense that relocating the capital is an easier symbolic move than tackling the deep structural issues in Jakarta. The choice of a remote area raises further questions about whether economic and political interests play a bigger role than actual flexibility or public demand.
I see. Does anyone wants to tell their thoughts? No? Okay, if not, let's move to the next question. Okay, the second question is, how do you feel personally about the idea of moving the capital city?
Me.
Sure.
Personally, I feel the idea is premature and potentially unnecessary, with the country still facing fundamental issues: healthcare, education, poverty, environmental damage. Investing hundreds of trillions in a new capital feels out of touch. Instead of solving Jakarta problems, moving the capital might simply shift attention away while the all issues remain unsolved. There are also a real concern that the new city could end up half finished or at least become a burden rather than a solution.
I see. Okay. Does anyone wants to object?
I strongly disagree about that because I feel like moving the capital from Jakarta to Nusantara is actually a good decisions move, because we all know that Jakarta is always flawed. It's over capacity of humans. People try to get a better funding, a better job, a better life to Jakarta, and they all there. But it increased the populations but decreased their life quality. Jakarta has been holding the burden to hold the economics and politics of Indonesia for so long, and I feel like it's really good to refresh the capital, move it to Nusantara, make it not just Java centric but also Indonesia centric. I feel like it can create a new opportunities for peoples outside of Java and so others.
True. Okay. Does anyone wants to add?
Sure. A few days ago that I've seen a few comments on social media, and I have find various opinions about the capital city move to Kalimantan especially. Some are optimistic because the relocation of the capital is seen as a major transformational step to move Indonesia toward long-term development. They see it as an opportunity to build a new, well-planned city from the outset, something that is difficult to achieve in a densely populated metropolis like Jakarta. But however, others express mixed feelings due to the high level of uncertainty. Some individuals are concerned about the large budget allocation, the potential for inequality if the project does not go according to the plan, and concern to the ordinary citizen may not feel the direct benefits.
Okay, thank you. Anyone wants to add again? No? If not, let's move on the next question. The last question is, what potential benefits do you see if Nusantara succeeds?
Can I go first? Sure. Okay. Thank you for the opportunities. If the plan to move Indonesian capital from Jakarta to Nusantara, which is Kalimantan success, I think it brings so much potential and benefit. The first, it can be create a new job opportunities. The second, it can boost Kalimantan economy. Nah, as you guys know, the Nusantara is the city designed specifically for administration, which is the government may also work more efficiently because, as you guys know, the Jakarta have so much problem, overpopulation, pollution, traffic, and it will slow down the government works.
True. Does anyone has other opinions? Sure.
Even from critical standpoint, if Nusantara does succeed, the potential benefit might include reduced pressure on Jakarta and more balanced distribution of development across Indonesia remains speculative, and achieving them would requiring long-term commitment and consistent governance, both of which are major challenges. Without systematic follow-through, even this potential advance could remain unrealized.
I see. Does anyone have any other comments too? No? If so, we can close this FGD. I really hope this discussion can gain a lot of new perspectives on this matter, because I feel like there's a lot of pro and cons about this matter, but I hope it really can alleviate your thoughts more about these topics. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, thank you.